Right? This has to be a regular boxing really. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I have my knife right here. Good. My God. I don't know what is wrong with. Okay, let's do that. Oh, dude. Oh, wow. Wow, is that... Ooh. That's nice. Okay. What? What? Okay, so the first thing is the 19th century inspired hand-forged folding trivet. Okay, so I'm gonna have to oil these up. Okay. Well, there's a hand trivet. Okay. I'm gonna clean my hands off before I touch anything else because there was a little bit of rust on it. I don't like rust. Let's open this. But yeah. Okay, so there's nothing quite like cooking or brewing coffee over better coals. Okay. Okay, and this throwback tool delivers timeless function. I wish I would have ordered it first, though, actually. Okay, it's forged by local blacksmith. This folding trivet is inspired by 19th century design, but built with a variety of materials for portability. Whether using it at back of a fire pit or deep in the woods, it's a durable, heirloom quality tool that will serve you well for decades. Okay. Okay, folding shower. 5 gallon full shower. When your home water heater fails or you're deep in the back country, the simple and effective gravity-fed shower can make a world difference. The black vinyl absorbs sunlight to warm water naturally, making it perfect for outdoor use or as an emergency backup. We use this shower for over 2 weeks for a family of 4. It works humble enough to store it in a bug-out bag or core kit, but big enough to provide multiple washes. Non-slip silicone straps, set of 2. I don't. Is it? Yeah, so. It says, be ready for anything. Yep, these are silicone. Okay, so keeping gear organized in the field can be a challenge, especially when it's slippery or bulky. These silicone-coated straps offer serious grip and feature a hook and loop design with a rugged stainless steel buckle. They're perfect for securing items for like batteries, paracord, and tools. And once you've used them, you want them in every kit you own. Okay. Okay, cool. This is a ceramic fill rod thing, if I can get it out. That would be great. It's a fill rod striker, which actually, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this one. Just put this one in here. Because it's light, it actually is like gray, man. Oh, let me show you. It's ceramic. This compact swim striker is a game changer in the world of fire starting. Lightweight, ultra durable, and capable of producing a shower of hot sparks. It's perfect addition to any fire kit. Once you try it, you may find yourself returning your old strikers. This one is that good. That's it. This is the next thing. Triangle EC buckle. I'm assuming this is it. It's a triangle. Oh, unless it's this. It's one of these. It's one of these, to say that. Quick locate a sturdy attachment point on your belt or pack with this simple but incredibly handy triangle buckle. Ideal for holding gloves, keys, key rings, mugs, or ferro rods. This small tool makes great access fast and efficient while minimizing pack clutter. And then clove clips. Unless this is the clove clip, and this is the triangle thing. That's probably the triangle thing right here. Losing track of gloves in the field is a pain. These clips solve that. With strong, reliable jaws, it is a design made to clamp over the hem of your glove cuffs. These clips keep your gloves handy when not in use. They pair seamlessly with the triangular EC buckle for quick belt or carry. Okay, whatever. Okay, so the last thing is, yeah, I would say that's, is a BPA-free collapsible 8-liter emergency water tote. I'm actually probably going to wash this anyway, so let's just get it out. This is really good for... Okay, how does this? No fun. Oh, I see how it was. Yeah. With the water spout, okay. It's 8 liters. 7 material full-size multiple container. This container can be used. Wow, you can carry milk, juice, or wine in this if you needed to. Yeah. Also comes with one of these to, you know. Let me get it on here. That's pretty cool because it's 8 liters. This is actually the thing. So yeah. How does it do? Right. Definitely this is good for Florida. Yeah. Okay. Bulky water containers take up valuable space. This collapsible tote offers 8 liters of storage in a flexible, foldable format that stashes easily in a backpack or vehicle. The reinforced ergonomic handle, which means it's cheap, makes transport simple, and the gusset bottom allow it to stand upright for pouring or dispensing at camp. Honestly, this is actually really helpful for voting in season 2. And I am in Florida. Yes. I'm glad you. Also, the thing for I thought for his wild card thing. Yeah. I could give this to someone because I already have like a shower type thing anyway. So, yeah. That's cool. Alright. Yeah. Useful stuff. I'm gonna have to like de-rust those things. The things for trivet. Oh, that is the thing. Yeah. But yeah. Just like a baby. So yeah, actually helpful stuff. The 8 liter bag is actually good. Cause I like water bags either way. So I can easily just wash that off and yeah. Um yeah. So finally it came. I'm happy. Like, anyway. Both folks low. We're 7 Wasteland. Peace.